evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I am Sandy Williams. As the country braces for another hurricane season, the Development Bank of Jamaica is reporting that some $2 billion in recovery financing has been approved for affected businesses. The DBJ says it underscores the scale of challenges business operators continue to face months after the storm. The institution is insisting, however, businesses' focus must now shift from recovery to resilience.
The hurricane season is now up on us, and the thought of another extreme weather event is already causing anxiety for residents out west. While many businesses have resumed operations, some entrepreneurs continue to grapple with the financial shocks of Hurricane Melissa. Recognizing those challenges, the Development Bank of Jamaica DBJ introduced its M5 recovery program through a network of financial institutions, creating a pathway for businesses to reboot and rebuild. Dr. David Lowe is the managing director.
To date, we're proud to say that we have $2 billion approved through all of those banks that are now on lending periodically through different drawdown facilities going forward. And I want to be clear, M5 was not just about new money being lent. It's also about refinancing existing loans.
The agriculture, hospitality, and retail sectors are still reeling from the effects of the Category 5 storm. And while $2 billion distributed demonstrates strong demand for recovery support, it also highlighted a deeper issue. Many businesses are not only seeking funds to replace damaged assets, but working capital to maintain operations over long term.
The unique thing about M5, we don't see it as just a reaction to the hurricane. We see it as a design of a framework that allows us to not just react to the impact of the hurricane, but to continue to evolve and recognize that we're entering another hurricane season in a matter of weeks. We're also looking at next year. So our 3-year horizon was being able to put something in place, almost like an accordion. You have an immediate reaction, then you have the ability to put other types of products in to support. God forbid we have another fallout from another version of a hurricane, and therefore we are always able to find some solution that can make an impact.
But with climate-related events expected to become more severe and costly, the DBJ says recovery may begin with financing, but long-term resilience requires preparation.
So we expect that with or without another climate impact, we're going to have better tools over the next 12 months to be able to respond. And it's an all-of-government approach. All the many agencies of government with whom we operate, we have learned to collaborate in a way that, unfortunately, was because of the hurricane, but good for the future.
For the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 3,256 points, while the Junior Market Index advanced by 1 point. The winners include Main Event Entertainment Group, Blue Power Group, Jamaica Public Service 7%, Medical Disposables and Supplies, and Image Plus Consultants. The losers were led by ISP Finance Services, AS Bryden and Sons Holdings, Productive Business Solutions 9.25%, Radio Jamaica and Jetcon Corporation. 22 stocks traded firm. At the end of foreign exchange trading, banks and cambios were selling the US dollar for an average $158.10. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $113.80. The pound is going for $215.04, while the euro is selling for an average $187.79. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Sandy Williams. Good evening.